Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you converting or repeating decimals to a fractions. Converting repeating decimals to a fractions. The first example, x is equal to 0.13 bar. Bar means that is repeating. X equal to 0.131313 like that. Okay. After the decimal point, we have two numbers that are repeating, okay? For that reason, we will multiply both the sides of the equation by 100. Both the sides of the equation by 100, okay? When you multiply by 100, the decimal point will jump two places to the right. It will become 13.131313 and so on, okay? And the original question is 1x is equal to 0.131313. Okay. Next step, we have to subtract those two equations. 100x minus 1x is 99x equal to, when you subtract after the decimal numbers, everything will get cancelled because 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 13 minus 0 is 13. Now we have to solve for x. You don't want 99. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. X is equal to 13 over 99. Okay. Now the second example, x is equal to 0.09 bar. Two numbers are repeating. So it is 0.090909. Okay. After the decimal point, because we have two numbers repeating, we multiply both the sides of the equation by 100. We are multiplying both the sides of the equations by 100. When you multiply by 100, it will jump two places to the right. 100x is equal to, when you jump two places to the right, it will become 9.090909. Okay. And now what is original? 1x original question is 0.090909. When you subtract both the numbers, 99x is equal to 9. Okay. Now we are solving for x. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. X is equal to 9 over 99, which is 1 over 11. Okay. The third example, 2.53 bar. 2.53333 repeating, right? X equal to, because only one number is repeating, we can multiply by 10x or we can do 100x. I'll teach you both the methods. When you multiply by 10x on both the sides, 10x is equal to, we have to jump one place to the right, 25.33333 and so on. And the other number is 1x equal to 2.53333 and so on. When you subtract, 10x minus 1x is 9x, and here we have to do the subtraction carefully. 3 minus 5 we can't subtract, you'll get the borrow from the previous one's place. 13 minus 5 is 8, and the 5 will become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then 2. X is equal to 22.8 divided by 9. We don't want the decimal number in the repeating fractions. For that reason, you'll multiply by 10 on the top, 10 on the bottom. X is equal to 228 over 90. They both are even numbers, so they both are divisible by 2, which we can write it as 114 over 45. I hope I hope I gave you a clear idea about converting a repeating decimal to a fraction. Thank you so much for watching.